Want to remove your Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. Now let's get started. To remove your Bitmoji on Snapchat, open the Snapchat app. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon. Select Bitmoji. Then tap Remove My Bitmoji. To confirm, tap Remove. Your Bitmoji will then be deleted. You can create a new Bitmoji at any time. That's all it takes to remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat profile. For more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.